Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Welcome back. It is summertime, so you know the colors have to come out. Today we are doing a tutorial on how to basically achieve this soft faux locks look. It's going to be crochet as usual. So I started off by sectioning out her hair. Some people braid it all the way down, but just for the removal sake, making the removal process easier, I start off by doing 3 strands braid, and then I go into 2 strands braid. And I know in my last video I walked you guys step by step on basically how to achieve this look, this knotless look. So if you didn't watch that video, please go ahead and do so. So you need little piece of wrapping hair. The more wrapping hair you use, the bulkier it's going to look. So the key is in the amount of wrapping hair you use. Also, as I said in my previous video, you want to make sure that your braids are not tight, because what happens is that when you wrap the hair, it gets tighter. So you need to make sure that it's somewhat loose so that when you wrap, it's not so tight. I really love this protective style because you could go 2 months without having to change your hairstyle because it looks even better. It starts to look more natural. The only downside to this hair is that you need to have time. This hair takes a long time, especially if you're trying to achieve the knotless look and you want it small or medium size. It takes a while. But other than that, I think that this hairstyle is totally worth it. In the comment section, guys, let's have a chat. Let me know if you've ever had locks installed before. Which colors did you have? Do you guys actually find it beneficial to install faux locks? Did you find that your hair grew? Was your hair stagnant? Like, was the takedown process hard? Would you like to see a video of the takedown process? Let me know. So now I'm basically going to show you guys how to do it for those that didn't watch the previous video. So once you have your hair braided down, you open up the locks, which is already pre-looped. You want to bring your natural hair at least half, fold it into half, and then wrap it around. You need to make sure, if you're doing this wrapping the natural hair to itself, you need to make sure you tell your client or whoever it is that you're doing the hair, they should be mindful when taking down the hair, so that way they don't cut their own natural hair. The only reason why I am actually wrapping it halfway is because her hair is extremely long and she didn't want the black, a lot of the black part. So once you have it done that way, now you go ahead with your little piece of wrapping hair and make sure you wrap. You wrap each side for at least just 2 times, so that way it maintains that knotless look. I will also make sure that I leave the link to my Amazon storefront in the description box, so that way those interested in getting this particular locks will be able to get it. For my wrapping hair, I usually use the twisted up hair. Molly hair makes my scalp itch, so I rather not, but just make sure that when you are installing any braids to your hair, that you wash them before you install them to avoid any itchiness or irritation to your scalp. This brings us to the end of the video. This hair came out so beautiful, especially when it's in a bun. It was extremely lightweight, beautiful, as I said, very affordable, less than $50. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you like, share, and comment. Bye.